All right, and our final fly through will be the exterior of the building. We're in the northwest corner right now, and you can see the main entrance there to our left. And we're going to move around and just take a look at what the building looks like all the way around so everybody can see it, because most people can only be out on 18th Street. So we're taking remember we talked a little bit about the put learning on display inside with our almost like picture frames around the windows. We kind of did the same thing out here where those beautiful blue accent picture frames are. So here's our greenhouse. Our egg department's loving that. You can see the 3 garage doors that'll go into the industrial tech area. Those will be glass, as you can see, so they let in some beautiful light. And then over here to the right, we actually have a real loading dock, and our maintenance guys are loving that. We're flying over here, almost ran into the corner of the building. So that's the gymnasium, and that's what you can see from the highway. Right where those that plywood will be the Owatonna Husky head in the glass when it gets delivered from Byracon. So here is the athletic area. The wrestling room is down here on the corner, and then it'll go right into the locker room areas, and then the plaza is where we're at. Now we're flying right over the plaza or the stadium bleachers right now. The glass windows that you're looking at will be the weight room and the fitness room, and right below that is that overhang that we talked about in our last video where the restrooms are and the concession stand. And then we're just kind of zooming out once again to see the plaza area. Over here to the right is the athletic director. That last window you see right there is the athletic director or activities director's office. And then the music department is over here on the right side. The big blue wrap that goes around will be the band room. The next one to the left is orchestra, and then we have choir on the far left. And then the tall part right there is the stage. So that tan piece will be the fly up above the stage, and all those 4 windows right in front, that'll be the scene shop where the kids can make the sets and deliver them straight onto the stage. And then here we are again, right back to the main entrance.